Hello everyone, my name is Mayank Verma and this is my portfolio website. Today I'm going to show you one project that I recently did. So I was out there in the market looking to buy a phone. I was confused between iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Samsung S25 Ultra. I saw all the reviews on Amazon and was like, you know what? Power BI also has this capability for sentiment analysis and the text extraction. So maybe I could just plug the real data and see how it performs to the one of the models that Amazon uses. So here it is. So basically, it was a sentiment analysis project that I did. Um, Key findings that you can all read up here. I'll just quickly show you the PBIX file that I made, and this is basically how it looks. These are the keywords in the body. These are the keywords in the basically the title that you give in Amazon. So camera, battery, expected camera of ultra phone. You see Samsung and both iPhone are basically known for their cameras. This is something just an overview first. I tried to make it in a phone like shape and everything will work, and uh, these are the keywords that it will sort on. So basically I'll just take you to the beginning and how we can get the data out there. So first we go to Amazon, and in Amazon I search for iPhone 16 Pro Max. There is an there's a extension. Let me do it for this. So basically there's a uh, extension. If you just quickly go, so much of material they have to show. Yeah, so these are all the different reviews. If I just quickly show you, so basically, yeah, you see this download review button, and this is going to get me the 10 reviews. What is this? This is an extension box, uh, Chrome extension that I used, and what it did was it gave me the 10 reviews for this, like you saw. Just quickly, yeah. So Mihir Shah was there, top tier specs, excellent camera. So Mihir Shah, don't want this, we can remove that. Top tier specs. The ratings he gave like 5 stars. We can review this one as well. Basically, it's the same, and the review text, the Samsung S25 Ultra, blah blah blah. We gave a big one till creativity. So let's just quickly, yeah, still creativity. So basically what I did was I ran this multiple times. Since this is a free version, it gave me up to 10 reviews. So but I ran it multiple times for both iPhone 16 and uh, iPhone 16 and the Samsung phone. Then basically I removed the unnecessary columns like ID. I didn't even need the username, title, rating, and this one, the main review content. And then there was this review URL and other things that I didn't wanted, so I deleted everything there. So I can show you the real final copy. um, so these are the different projects that I did, and sentiment analysis is there. So I made two Excel files, and you can see all the titles, ratings, and all that I got. For this demo purpose I did like for 20 reviews each. Then we head back to our model, where I'll just quickly show you what I did in the transformation tab. There's a lot that is going behind the scenes. The Power BI's AI capability is really nice, I would say, based on the results that I got. I once So these are the different steps I took. Like, uh, I connected the source, changed some types, filtered the rows, basically applied the score sentiment. Where we can do this is if you just move here, there's this text analytics. If you click there, you would get a couple of options to do uh, score sentiments, and then you would also get some extra key phrases. Key phrases I got in uh, another query. So basically, these are the key phrases that I got. Remove the other columns. The same I repeated for Samsung as well. So basically, I got my data set. It's going to take some time. It's pretty heavy to do this all stuff. Then basically, I made this dashboard to show all the relevant things that I would need basically to help me get to my final buying decision. I'll quickly show you the dashboard. Basically, on this website, this is my portfolio website, mayank.super.site. If you just navigate to the projects and the Power BI section, you will be able to get everything. And since you are here, this is a play area. Basically, this is the live dashboard that you can see. It has like all the reviews, like a game changer. My experience with S25 Ultra. This was the review that we were looking at. So quickly closing this thing. Oops, I think I closed. Yeah, this one. Um, so basically, I saw basically that excellent rating by sentiment scores that we got was 87% for Samsung and 84% for Apple. Apple got beaten up there. Uh, then the good was 11% and needs improvement was 4, and it was little down for Samsung. These were the ratings to the actual bucket, like 4 excellent score, 2.83 and 2.50. These are the keywords that we got, and these were the key phrases that I got from the analysis. Like battery was mentioned, battery life, camera design, the face and the phone. And you see these are the different reviews. Like this was all the title, and this was the complete uh, thing. So basically, if you see, camera was the title, bad camera was the title. The sentiment analysis gave it 0.06 point score, and the actual rating was 2, so it fell in the needs improvement bucket. Basically, the review was the camera is poor and it looks like a cheap mobile phone. And let's see, the rating was 4. Uh, it fell in excellent because of the 0.84 score. So I made this like if it's the score of the sentiment analysis is it more than 0.8, then it's excellent. If it's more than zero point 0.5 and between less than zero point 0.8, then it's good. If it's less than zero point 0.5, then it needs improvement. So 0.84, finger sense and face unlock is average. So below expected, but yes, the actual rating was 4. Then camera completely worth it. 0.99 is the score. He mentioned some excellent words like design, UI fields, everything, top-notch camera, gaming experience, everything is there. So this is how it looked like. Basically, if you just click here, you would be directed to the complete website on the Power BI service. It will be basically the same thing, just much larger. So if I want to see, one thing I noticed was iPhone is the key phrase that was mentioned multiple times, and if you see, iPhone users usually have a pride in calling that they have an iPhone and not a phone. So iPhone is one of the words that was evident from uh, title and the body. It was mentioned 4 times. We can see how many times this word was mentioned. iPhone was mentioned 12 times in like 20 reviews, so this is pretty much evident. Worst mistake I made buying an iPhone 16 Pro Max. The score is zero absolutely, and actual rating gave was two. And Android users switching to iPhone, you can all read that. So basically, if I wanted to search for, let's say, Android, some people mentioned Android. So these are the areas or the comments where the Android was mentioned. Um, Battery life. So this many places. Navigation tools, picture tools, let's say picture. So basically this comment only had like picture, this is just an expensive e-way, this is just for me elderly, needs improvement 4, actual rating was 4. But if you see how the text analysis actually predicted that it needs improvement, it falls in the last bucket because the worst useless device ever. The actual rating doesn't match it, but yes, this is working. So yeah, if you see the keywords for useless device, worse, so pretty much good analysis I could do. And finally I was able to buy an iPhone because I wanted to shift to an iOS device. Thank you.